Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about something very nice, something spectacular that is called Jamboard. So we have to start. You have two options. You can just type Jamboard here in the Google research page, or you can do it, giving a click here and you look for your Jamboard. So it is here. Okay, it is here. You just give a clip here up, then you have the Jamboards. I have some examples of Jamboard here, but what you have to do is just to add one jump here. Just click here in this part, in this corner, one click, and you will automatically have your Jamboard. So how I use this Jamboard? Very simple. You can just use it by writing. Okay, for example, you can say hello. You can write here, or you just can add one photograph. Okay, let me add one photograph for you. Okay, or you can just write one note. For example, you can write the advantage, for example, right? It's up to you. You can change colors, or you just can choose with no colors, and you just keep it. Okay, for example, let's choose pink. Okay, and you can do this. Okay, and that is what I always do. And then you can add here the picture that we have here. I will add one picture for you. Okay, so you just give one clip here. You can add, you can upload here a picture that you have in your laptop, or you can look for the picture in here. Okay, looking for the correct picture. For example, I type here simple present. I want this picture. So I just have to wait some seconds for the picture, and you can move it, or you can just make it bigger, like this, for example. Okay, I don't want that. Hello. So here, for example, it is very useful. Okay, you can show with this, because this is like a laser. You can show with this, okay, and you can talk with the students, and you can show the rules, for example, okay, or you can, for example, you can give some, draw something, an eggs, okay, you can underline something. Remember that you can change the colors also. You can change the colors of this, etc., to explain the class. You can explain the class using this wonderful tool. It's really wonderful. If you don't need this, for example, you just erase it. So that is one way to use this Jamboard. Okay, so it's very easy to use. I do it and it was perfect. Students understood everything clearly because they are listening to you and they are watching what you are doing. So, and the other use that I also like a lot is when you, for example, add here more jumps. You add 2 or 3 jumps, and I say to my students, for example, that they have to choose one jump, and they have, the first thing that they have to do is to choose one jump, and they have to write the names, right? Here, for example, Ursula. I will write here Ursula, and for example, I can write here and put it here because they are going to work in this jump. Another student can choose, and this student, for example, can write also the name, for example this, and continue. So you can add as many jumps as you want. If you have 40 students, okay, you can add 40 jumps, so it's no problem. And the best thing, guys, is that you can, as they are working, okay, you can pass and you can see how they are working. You can help them. Sometimes you can control this and you can change this, and you can say, okay, here you have a problem, you can change it, okay, and it's perfect. So everybody is online, everybody is working, and you are checking, what you are doing or what they are doing also. Okay, it's very interesting. Also, if you need to change this, you can, the background, you can put it like this, or you can put it like this. You can put it in color blank. Okay, you can do it like this, etc. Okay, here if you don't need, okay, for example, if you do this, yeah, you don't need it, you can do this also. Okay, so you can do many things here. Here you add the image. Okay, and it's very easy. The best thing is that you can share it. For example, what you have to do is to share this link with the students. Okay, for example, here you can obtain this, okay, this, and don't forget just to copy the link, and you can share it with your students. So for example, when I use this, okay, my students could produce this. For example, we were working on comparative and superlatives, and they could do this. Okay, they could create these amazing things, and the best thing, as I told you before, was that I could check. Okay, I could check while they were working, and also I could help a lot, and as a result I had an incredible job. And these are students from A1, so their English is basic, so they need help, but they could do it. So I hope that you like the ideas of using this fantastic Jamboard tool, and that you use the jams. Okay, don't forget that we can write, for example, here the title. Okay, comparative and superlative, for example, and you can share it. Okay, and if you need to open another Jamboard, you just open it. So just remember that this Jamboard is to work online. So you are talking in Zoom, for example, or in Meet, whatever you want. Okay, remember that in our channel we have one tutorial to use Meet, and also one tutorial to use Zoom. So you can do it, you can talk, you can control everything they are doing, and you can see how they are working, and that is fantastic. I hope that you really like these ideas. I hope that you use it, and if you really like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Okay, so see you soon. Bye.